Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'm doing a super quick unboxing of this Cricut Explore Air 2. Now this color combo, the emerald green and gold, is exclusive to Walmart, which is why I decided to go ahead, gift it to myself, and expand my Cricut family. I do not own any of the Explore Air 2 models. I do own the Champagne Cricut Maker as well as the Rose Gold. So inside of the box, there was a light grip mat. I love this mat. It's definitely one of those you need backups of because you're going to cut a lot of materials with the light grip mat. And I do recommend keeping the bag and the box that your machine comes in because you just never know when you're going to need to transport your machine or anything like that. I've definitely needed my boxes. And also included is a welcome book. Now, I've taught Cricut classes and I've spoken to a lot of newcomers to the Cricut world, and a lot of them have said that their machines that they've either purchased or have been gifted to them has sat in the box for months. And I totally understand why, because they've been too intimidated to go ahead and get started. But if you open it up and you go through the welcome book, Cricut does an awesome job of breaking this down and making it very easy to connect whichever way you want to, Bluetooth or direct connect with a PC, which I never do. I've always used the Bluetooth option. And then you do get the materials for a first-time Cricut project. Your warranty is included, and I highly recommend you go ahead and register your product as soon as you get it as well, so that your warranty kicks in, because I've needed the warranty before as well. There was a Cricut pen included, and I do recommend that you store your pens upside down as I'm showing so that they're always ready to go and the ink is flowing. And then these are the two cords. So you're going to receive a power cord, and then that cord right there is the one that you're going to use to directly connect your machine to your PC if that's the route that you decide to take. Okay, now this is what the color looks like, and I was thoroughly pleased. I was very happy with this color combo. My logo is this color to a T. I was very, very happy. So as you can see, this is why I needed it. Now, the Cricut Explore Air 2 logo, that strip that you see at the bottom, also the inside where it says Cricut Cut Smart 2 and the Smart Dial, all of that is that gold color. It is not a bright gold. It's actually like a champagne gold. So if you've seen the champagne Cricut makers, that's basically the color that you get. I wouldn't have minded this machine being in a matte finish because the gloss is really glossy and the fingerprints definitely show. But it comes with the territory, and that's fine. So I hope this answered any questions if you were curious about the color, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.